Join me on an exciting journey into the world of artificial intelligence as we explore which jobs are at risk of being replaced. Can we identify the trends before it's too late? The rapid advancement of AI is revolutionizing how we work and live. AI systems are learning, reasoning, and even making decisions independently, leading to significant changes in the job market. The big question looming over us is, which jobs are most susceptible to being replaced by AI? One sector facing considerable risk is customer service. Chatbots and virtual assistants are on the rise, allowing companies to automate support services without human intervention. In the realm of data entry, AI systems can process information faster and more accurately than humans, raising concerns about the future of data. Entry jobs. Transportation is another area in jeopardy, with self-driving vehicles threatening the livelihoods of millions of drivers globally. Additionally, manufacturing roles are at risk as robots and machines become more adept at handling complex tasks. The impact of AI isn't limited to these sectors. In healthcare, AI algorithms can diagnose conditions more accurately than human doctors by analyzing medical images. In finance, AI systems can detect market trends and execute trades in milliseconds, redefining the way financial markets operate. Behind AI job automation are technologies like machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision, enabling machines to tackle tasks requiring human intelligence. A recent study on the future of work sheds light on job replacement and creation by AI. While some jobs may be at risk, new opportunities are emerging in AI-related fields. As routine tasks are automated, there's a rising demand for professionals skilled in developing, implementing, and managing AI systems, presenting a silver lining amidst the job displacement caused by AI. In essence, the job landscape is rapidly evolving due to AI. Customer service, data entry, transportation, and manufacturing roles are among those facing potential displacement. Yet, the growth of AI also brings about fresh job prospects, particularly in fields tied to AI development and management. If you've witnessed AI's impact in your profession or industry, share your story with us in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe for more insights into how technology is reshaping the future of work. Let's delve deeper into the world of AI together and discover the transformative power it holds over our jobs.